If you've been using FTC reports to get collections removed and that's all you know how to do, you are shut down now because the government is shut down, which means FTC is shut down. But guys, Tina to the rescue. Today we're going to show you guys how to get rid of those pesky collections without having to use the FTC report. And this works, guys. This is proven. This works for my company. It's what I do. So trust me. So let's get into this video, guys, so I can show you exactly what I've been up to.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and this is my lovely co-host, Miss Tina Talks Credit. Guys, today's video, we have an exciting one. Now, as you've seen in the intro, I'm urging you guys to stop paying all collections, especially during the government shutdown. In today's video, we're going to break this down. We're going to show you step by step on how you can avoid paying thousands of dollars and actually get movement when it comes to your credit report. So I'm super excited. We're going to show you how to draft the affidavit, how to draft the dispute letters, how to go over the FCC, over the government, and file a complaint with the Attorney General directly. Guys, this is going to be a very powerful video. So let's get started, right? All right. So first and foremost, guys, you have to understand that paying any type of collections do more damage to your credit than good, unless you are putting what is called a pay for delete in place. If you do not have a pay for delete in place, I urge you guys to not pay it because it will do more damage. Because when you pay into the debt, you are basically implying to the creditors, the credit bureau, that you are agreeing to the debt. You are claiming the debt. Once you claim the debt is yours. There is no investigation for verifiable information. There is no investigation for accuracy because you are already saying that everything is accurate, everything is verifiable, and everything is timely because you are paying to the debt. Now, when it comes to timely, there is a statute of limitations for everything on your credit report, right? There's a statute of limitations for your state. There's a statute of limitations for the country of all debt being placed on your credit report. Now, the statute of limitations starts on the last payment date. So a lot of people think that it starts on when you defaulted or when you miss your first payment. No, it starts on the last payment date. So that means that if your statute of limitations is 7 years and you pay into that debt 6.5 years, the statute of limitations will start over. So instead of you waiting 7 years, you will wait 14 years because the statute of limitations starts on the last payment date. So paying into the collections can do more damage than good. Did you have anything to add to this, Miss Tina?
Of course. Yes, I hate collections. Do not pay collections. And I'm not just saying this from a credit repair standpoint. I'm saying this because technically you don't even owe the company who's coming at you for money. So I want to show you guys what strategy we're using now that the government is closed, right? So you can't use FTC to support you as supporting documentation anymore for potential fraudulent reporting on your credit report. Now, remember, we're not outright saying fraud. We're not going and saying, oh, this isn't mine. We're not doing it the illegal way. We're doing it the legal way. You can still use FTC. But since we cannot use FTC, I want to show you guys what we are doing now actually at our company for our clients to get the same results that we were getting when we were able to use an FTC complaint along with our dispute letter. So
let me show them how to draft the dispute letters, and I'm gonna just give you the full flow.
Cool.
Dispute letter so everything can come together, and then you can just finish it off with, because in a lot of times when it comes to filing with the Attorney General, I know that they have an upload option, and if you have the dispute letter, you can upload the dispute letter in that option as well, correct?
Yes.
All right, so let me just show them this. All right, guys, this is the My Credit Approved system. This is the system that I drafted. Now, if you are looking to do this and follow everything step by step, this is a system that you are going to want to use. If you want to hire a professional to do this, go to Tina Talks Credit, go in her description. If you're watching this from the Tina Talks Credit channel, go in her description and fill out an application for an appointment, and her staff will actually do this for you. If you need any credit repair, type credit repair in the comment section, and we will give you additional information as well. But so this is what the system will look like once you get into the My Credit Approved system. You sign up for the do-it-yourself service, and import everything over to our system. So this is what it will look like. All of these are your negative collections on the side here. The reason for your dispute, you can type in mistaken identity, identity theft, validate debt. Let's just do inaccurate just to be sure. And then you scroll down and click create letter. You're going to want to have the full access. So you want to go to round 2 and then type in affidavit. And we're going to go to Tina Talks Credit New Affidavit. And then we're going to, for the sake of the video, we're just going to dispute 1, which is World Finance Corporation. We're going to scroll all the way down. This is a demo account. So excuse me for all the collections. And then we'll click next. And my credit approved system is going to populate. So we're going to scroll right here to round 2 and go into Tina Talks Credit Affidavit. Scroll down and click next. Okay, and it's going to populate. So this is an actual court document, guys, and you need to be understanding to that. Like, this is a very serious document. This is a lot more powerful than a traditional credit dispute letter because it is backed by facts. So as you can see down here, there is a section for you to get it notarized, guys, and you're going to want to get it notarized because it just put that much oomph into this. If you want to add any type of personal statement to this letter, you can add it to the statement of facts, but all of the legal basis for the dispute is already in the letter, and it's just that much more powerful. So I want to show you guys that you can save this, or you can print this out and save it. And we also adding a AI custom generator, so you can generate this letter and make it different for every individual person, so you can have your own customized letter. Just type in AI custom letters for Equifax and customize it that way as well, guys. But yes, this is the letter. You're going to want to save it and proceed to the next steps. And I'm going to give Miss Tina the floor for the next step.
Gotcha. Okay, that's cool. I love that. I love the upgrade too, guys. You guys,
you see that? You see that? I love you.
Good. All right. Okay. So let me just pull up here. Let me present this affidavit just so I can talk about it. Yeah, that one. So this is what the affidavit is going to look like when you print it out on My Credit Approved, by the way. It's like the same thing. So what it has in it is the 609 verbiage, FCRA 609. So you're going to want to make sure that verbiage is there. So if you go to My Credit Approved to do your dispute letter, when you're doing editing, don't take this out. This is important. So you see where it says potential fraudulent. That right there keeps you on the right side of the law. That right there keeps you from lying, saying, hey, this is fraud, this isn't mine. We're saying potential, and we're saying potential fraud for a reason, because that's what it is, okay? Because you never signed a contract with LVNV Funding or whoever this third-party collection agency is that's trying to get money from you. So that's why we say potential, and that's how we keep it right, all right? So now I want to go and share my screen again and show you guys the actual website that we're going to go to find what state attorneys general's account to go to. So you're going to use, all right, guys, so this is the website that you're going to go to find the state attorney general for your state. If you don't already know, it's just easy to find it here. So you'll go to this website, you're going to click on consumer complaint, and you're going to see the United States here. You're going to choose what state you're actually going to file the complaint in. So if it's Alabama, you click file a complaint. Now, I will say this, all of these 50 different websites are different. Some will let you print out your complaint, and some don't have that function on their website. So it's not as easy, I would say, as it is when you're just filing a complaint with the FTC. So I'm not going to fill all this stuff out, but you're going to fill this out, whichever page it is. Like I'm just going to, let me show you this. Can you see? Can they see?
Yeah, they can see the consumer complaint.
Yeah, you can. So it's showing when I switch pages.
Yeah, it shows.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to miss the video because I was just like, I didn't want to keep talking if it wasn't showing it.
No, it's sure. Go ahead.
Okay, so you're going to fill all of this out, and you're going to make sure that you put in good lingo what exactly is happening. Make sure you mention that it is fraudulent or possible fraudulent misrepresentation reporting on your credit report. Okay, and this is what you're going to get. Now, when you come into a website that does not allow you to like print or save the actual complaint, usually what it's going to do is going to take you to a screen where it's going to confirm that you filed the complaint. And so this is what we've been doing here at Credit Approval Solutions. So this is what we've been doing here at Credit Approval Solutions. And we tag this along with the 3 forms of ID and that affidavit signed and notarized that we just showed you. So this is just letting them know that a complaint has been filed. Please advise that I have filed a formal complaint against your organization with the Office of my State Attorneys General regarding your continued willful violation of my rights under, and here we go with the law and all that. So, and then here in red, I said below here is my proof of a formal complaint. So in the event that the website that you happen to be on does not allow you to print the actual PDF form of the complaint to send that in, you're going to take a screenshot of the confirmation page that you see next, because that is your confirmation that you filed that complaint. So, and tag that along, and you just send all this stuff in. What we're doing is making it a little quicker, is that we're just taking all of the evidence that we have and the affidavit, compiling all of it and filing the complaint with the CFPB, so that way we can upload everything into their portal and it gets there faster. And that's it. So don't pay these collection guys. Like, this stuff is still coming off. You don't necessarily now have to have the FTC report to get these things off. And I hate that it took for the government to shut down for me to even talk about this, because this is something that we've been doing. Like, even you can file complaints with the FDIC, the OCC, against companies like Capital One Credit and stuff like that, and tag that complaint along with your disputes and get deletions and stuff too. So you don't necessarily always have to use the FTC. It's just very popular.
Oh, like I said, guys, do not pay collections. Use and leverage the government shutdown to your advantage.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the longest government shutdown in over 50 years, and this is very dramatic. I know people are, suffering when it comes to food stamps, government jobs, things like that. But guys, if you could benefit from the government shutdown by getting all your collections removed.
Right.
Like I said, if you want your credit done, or if you need credit help or advice, type credit repair in the comment section and we will jump on that immediately. Help you guys out. If you found any of this information helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Share this video to as many people as possible. If you do not need credit repair, or if you know someone with credit repair, still share the video, because it helps people to benefit from this information, especially because we don't know when the government is going to reopen. So that's all I have for you guys. Did you have anything else, Ms. Tina?
I just want to say, guys, like, if you are watching this video, it's probably because you're interested in learning credit repair or you need credit repair. So if you're interested in learning credit repair, I teach credit repair at disputechamps.org. So don't forget to check us out over there, where you can learn 19 years worth of tricks, strategies, and anything that I've ever thought of to use to get things deleted off credit report.
Awesome. I got Dispute Champs is the truth. It is the best credit education system in the country, and I stamp that. Go to disputechamps.com if you are interested in learning more than just what these videos have. She is gave all the information that you can think of. People, even if you're a credit professional, go get Dispute Champs, because I'm almost sure you will learn something that will benefit your community or your clients. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's all we have for you. Make sure you get those things taken care of. Do not play collections, because they do more harm than good. Leave it in the comment section. Credit repair if you need anything. Till next time, take care of credit. Take care of yourself. Credit you out. Peace.
Bam.